Hey there, drummers and music makers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of electronic drum sets and unveiling our top pick for 2025, the ultimate kit that brings performance, precision, and playability together in one epic package. Ready to meet the #1 electronic drum set of 2025? Let's get right into it. First up, we have the Alesis Nitro Max kit. This electric drum set is built for those who crave authentic sound without compromising on affordability. With quiet mesh pads, a 10-inch dual-zone snare, and over 440 authentic sounds straight from Drumeo, it's perfect for dynamic practice sessions and live performance alike. Plus, features like Bluetooth connectivity and USB MIDI make recording your beats effortless. The inclusion of a kick pedal rounds out a kit that's both beginner-friendly and powerful. Next, meet the Alesis Nitro Pro electric drum set. Stepping up from the Nitro Max, this model offers over 500 authentic BFD sounds, dual-zone quiet mesh pads, and even greater versatility with its double kick compatibility. Designed to let your creativity flow, it delivers crisp responses and connectivity options that are second to none. It's a solid contender for anyone looking to push their drumming to new levels. Now, let's talk about a game changer, the Roland TD-07DMK electronic V-drums. This kit is renowned for its legendary double-ply all-mesh heads that provide superior expression and playability, replicating the feel of an acoustic drum kit like no other. With Bluetooth audio and MIDI integration, plus 40 free melodics lessons, the TD-07DMK not only sounds incredible, it helps you hone your skills with professional guidance. Its responsive design and advanced technology truly set it apart, making it our top pick for 2025. For those who want robust features at a competitive price, check out the Donner DED200X electronic drum set. This kit features quiet mesh drum pads, 2 cymbals with choke, and delivers 31 kits with over 450 sounds. It comes complete with a throne, headphones, sticks, and supports USB MIDI, along with integrated melodics lessons. It's an all-in-one package that offers reliability and sound quality for both practice and performance. Finally, for beginners or younger drummers, we've got the AODSK electric drum set. With 150 sounds, 4 quiet drum pads, 2 pedals, and everything included, from a throne to sticks and headphones, this kit is perfect for those just starting their drumming journey. It's designed to be fun, intuitive, and accessible, making it a great stepping stone into the world of electronic percussion.